In this video, we are going to show you how to connect a KitchenAid wall oven to your home Wi-Fi network. Before we get into the connection process, you will need to make sure your router is within 30 feet from the wall oven, and also this appliance is compatible only with a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So you have to make sure your router supports it. The next thing that you need is a smartphone like an iPhone. You have to download the KitchenAid app and create an account in the app. Once these things are available, you are ready to connect your wall oven. I'm going to use an iPhone with the KitchenAid app. I'll log into the app account in the KitchenAid app. And since we are going to add an appliance, you have to look for the plus option, which is located on the top right of the app screen. Tap on the plus option and then you will be able to see the next screen on the app. Now it is asking you to choose the type of appliance you are trying to connect. In this case, this is a wall oven. In the next app screen, you will be provided with a set of 4 instructions. Here you have to make sure that first read the instructions, understand it, and then try to perform on the oven display. So the first instruction here is to tap on the settings option and then go to the Wi-Fi option. Now on the connect to mobile app screen, you will have to tap on the next option. When you tap on the next option, on the oven display, you will be seeing the QR code. Now it's time to move back to the app and tap on the scan code. The app will be now opening your camera and then it will be scanning the QR code. Once the QR code is scanned, you will be getting another app screen with another set of 5 instructions. Again, make sure to read the instructions carefully before performing it on the oven display. So again, here the first step is to tap on the tools option. So I'm going to go back to the home screen and then I will tap on the tools option and then tap on the Wi-Fi option and then select the find network option. When we are selecting the find network option, you will see that on the oven display it will be scanning for the local Wi-Fi networks, and the available Wi-Fi networks will be appearing on the oven display in the form of a list. From the list, carefully look for your home 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network and then tap on it. In the next screen, you are expected to enter your correct Wi-Fi password. Please note that the Wi-Fi password is case sensitive. Now I am going to enter the password. So now I have finished entering my Wi-Fi password and I am very sure that it is the correct one. Now I tap on the OK option. In a few moments, if you have chosen the correct 2.4 Wi-Fi network and enter the correct Wi-Fi password, your oven display will show that it is successfully connected to the internet and the KitchenAid. When you see that message on the display of the oven, let's tap on the OK option on the oven display. Now it is time to go back to the app screen and then select the next option. Once you select the next option, which is the last step in the connection process, in the next few minutes, the appliance will be successfully added to your app account. So now we have reached the last app screen. In this app screen, you can see that the oven is successfully added. You also get an option to name the appliance if you would like. And finally, the last option that you have in the app is to confirm the shipping address for your power attachments. If you would like to order one, you can hit on the confirm and ship option and then you are done with the connection process. We can go back to the app screen to see the appliance in ready to cook. Now in the next part of this video, we are going to show you how to remote enable the wall oven. Before you can use the app to remote control the appliance, always the remote enable option has to be enabled from the oven display. For that, you have to go to the oven display and tap on the remote enable option. When you tap on the remote enable option, it will turn on and you will be able to see the remote enable icon showing up on the oven display as well as on the app screen. Now at this stage, the app is ready to remote control your appliance. That means it will be able to remotely start or stop a cycle from the app itself. You don't have to be near to the appliance. So that was the second part of the video. Now the last part of the video that we would like to show is how you can start a simple bake function using the app. Even though you are not near to the appliance, you will be able to start a cycle from the app, and that's what I'm going to show you. I'll look for the image of the appliance and then tap on it. And then the app will be providing us with a different screen where you will be able to see the different cooking options. So since we are going to see how to start a bake function, I'm going to select the bake option. And then it also gives us the option to enter the temperature. You can choose any or type in any temperature that you want, but in our case we are going to set it at 350 degrees. If you want, you can also set a cook time, but that is not required, so I'm not putting it in. The next thing is you will see that there is a start option which is appearing highlighted. You will need to touch on the start option. And then you will see on the next app screen that is going to bake at 350 degrees. Also, it will be showing you the temperature to which the oven has preheated. So right now it is showing as 100 degree Fahrenheit, and at the same time, if you look at your oven screen, you will see the same information that it is trying to preheat, and the time remaining, all those information will be available. And now if you want to stop the cycle from the app, what you just need to do is tap on the end cycle option and the cycle will be stopped on the appliance. So in this video we have demonstrated how to connect your appliance using the KitchenAid app. Then we have explained to you the importance of remote enabling the appliance, and also we demonstrated how a bake function can be started using the app.